All right, for this next video, I'm going to solve question number 5 and number 6. Both of them are two-step equations, so I thought I'd put them in the same video. If you didn't get question number 6 right, just fast forward this one a little bit and you can check it out. All right, so we look at this one. We have negative 8k plus 3 equals negative 21. When we're trying to eliminate everything and get that variable all by itself, we want to look for what's the easiest to do. Right here, I'm doing negative 8 times k. Negative 8 times k, if I were to go through and divide by negative 8, I would have to divide that by negative 8, that by negative 8, and that by negative 8. So I don't want to do it 3 times. So I just keep looking and I see a better way to do it. If I take this plus 3 right here and I just subtract 3 from both sides of that equation, I'm going to be left with negative 8k equals negative 24. Now I can divide by negative 8 on both sides, and we've got a somewhat easy of a question. We get k equals 3. So that is our answer that we figured out, but we always want to check these. So we say negative 8 times 3 plus 3. Negative 8 times 3, this is us just plugging this back into that original equation right there. Negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. Plus 3 ends up being negative 21, and we are correct. That is our answer. So that's a two-step equation. Let's go ahead and look at question number 6. This one right here, we have x divided by 16 and then adding 9, and that is going to equal 8. If we were to just take this and we were to multiply everything by 16, we would still get the same answer, but we'd be dealing with some pretty big numbers. So if I just subtract 9 from both sides of the equation, I'm going to be left with this x over 16 plus 9 minus 9 is 0, so I get 8 minus 9, which is negative 1. I multiply both sides by 16 to get that x all by itself. The 16s cancel out, and I get x is equal to negative 16. Checking our answer, we do negative 16 divided by 16 plus 9. Negative 16 divided by 16 is negative 1 plus 9. That equals negative 8, which is what we started with. So that, I'm sorry, not negative 8. Apologize. That equals 8, so we did get it correct. You do not have to check your work, but I always say, why not check your work if you know you're guaranteed to get this correct?